Hey there, today I'll tell you how to quickly make a quiz in Canva. For this, you have to go canva.com or open your Canva app. Then from the search bar, search for quiz. Then you will see the results here. You you will see many results here. Then from the results, choose your preferred quiz template. For example, I'm selecting this. Now select customize this template. Then write your question here. Then you can select more design from here. You can also add a frame. You also add shapes. You can add more text style. Then you can upload from your device if you want to add anything here. Then after complete everything, if you're happy with everything, then select share here. Then if you want to share with anyone, then you can share it from you can copy the link and share it to anyone, and you can also download this template. And that's it. That's how you can make a quiz, Canva quiz.